How to influence people in real life. Intro. Meet Mr. A. He always meets everyone with a smile and calm positivity. He never argues. He never forces his opinions. Yet somehow, things always get done. People listen to him. Even his seniors respect his thoughts and often follow his suggestions without resistance. So what's his secret? It's not power. It's not manipulation. It's influence. Today, I'll break down 4 practical steps inspired by how to influence people that explain why Mr. A is so effective and how you can apply the same principles in real life. Step 1. Make people feel valued, not used. People cooperate when they feel respected, not when they feel ordered. Mr. A needed urgent help from a colleague who was already busy. Instead of saying, "This work is important, please do it fast," he said, "You handle things really well. Can you help me with this? I trust your judgment." The colleague felt valued, not pressured. She willingly completed the task on time. When you appreciate people sincerely, they want to help you. Appreciate effort before asking for help. Step 3. Don't argue. Build agreement. Winning arguments often loses relationships. A senior disagreed strongly with Mr. A in a discussion. Instead of defending his point aggressively, he replied, "You might be right. I may be missing something. Can I share another angle?" The senior relaxed instantly and said, "Yes, go ahead." His idea was accepted, not because it was forced, but because respect was maintained. Respect opens doors that arguments close. Replace "you're wrong, but let's look at it this way." Step 4. Inspire action instead of giving orders. People follow ideas they feel are their own. Mr. A wanted his team to improve productivity. Instead of saying, "From tomorrow, everyone must follow this method," he asked, "What do you think we can change to work faster without stress?" The team discussed, suggested ideas, and chose a solution themselves. Result? They followed it with full commitment. When people choose the path, they walk it confidently. Final message. Mr. A doesn't control people. He understands them. Influence grows when you value people, listen deeply, respect opinions, inspire ownership. Practice these 4 steps daily, and you won't need to force anything. People will naturally move with you.